Hi everyone, I'm John and today we're going to be doing the WeeAhWonga rhythm. Nice simple little rhythm to get going. It's got a nice feeling. You can get into the rhythm, you can kind of feel it in the body. It's a nice deep sort of feeling, but very simple to play and quite simple to learn really. So I thought I'd do this one as, it's one of the early ones I started practicing on. So how does it go then? So the WeeAhWonga literally is that kind of sound. WeeAhWonga, WeeAhWonga. WeeAhWonga. So first thing to start is the we. How do we get the we? Basically, I mean, some people get that kind of E sound or E sound by drawing the cheeks in. When I get in my E sound, I do have my cheeks drawn in a bit, but I also use my tongue, which comes to the top. It raises. So what I'm doing is, so that's the we, basically. We, getting your tongue to the top. Okay, so the next bit, so you can practice that to start with. And the next bit is we are. We are. All the we are is, when I'm doing the we, I'm bringing my tongue up, and when I'm doing the I'm bringing it back down again. So it's, I'm just taking the we out, basically, or the E, if you like. Next thing would be to the wong, is to do the wong. WeeAhWong, WeeAhWong. On the wong, I might breathe on that one, or I might breathe on the next wong. So that's wong, and you're doing the sort of circular breath on that. So you'll be, I think I'm bringing my jaw up on that one. I'm also, sometimes I push my tongue forwards when I'm playing, but you can just use your jaw, bring it up so you create that wong sound. And the harder you do it, you get more of that crunchy wong sound. So that's WeeAhWong. And the last bit is WeeAhWonga, WeeAhWonga. And when I'm doing the then my tongue's dropping back down again, as in after the we. So it's WeeAhWonga, WeeAhWonga. And as I say, I'm breathing on some of the wongs. You can get slightly different tones with the we, depending on where you place your tongue, but mainly just to start with, for this, the way I do it is I just bring my tongue up to get the basic sound. It's a kind of little overtone on the tongue, really. I might do another video on that at some stage. That's it. WeeAhWonga, WeeAhWonga. And you can throw some barks in, WeeAhWonga, WeeAhWonga, just after that, or where you can fit them in. It's quite nice. As I say, it's got when you play it, it's got a really mesmerising kind of feeling and rhythm. But it's nice and simple. But sometimes the simple rhythms are quite nice to do because it really can get deep right into that. and it's quite relaxing as well. So yeah, that's really all there is on that one. So that's, I'll just do it again. I'll just go through it again. So the wee, your tongue's coming up to the roof of your mouth. And the ah is coming back down. And the wong. I think I'll leave it there. You can just practice that. I've gone through the steps. That's it, the wee, the tongue drops, the ah, the wong, where you're breathing on that wong, on the circular breath, and the ah afterwards. Again, the tongue drops back down. It's really just experimenting with it, having a bit of fun. You can't go wrong with it, really. But have fun and give it a go. As I say, if you just practice it, you'll feel it more inside, and you can then forget the rhythm and just get right into it, and then ad lib on it, you know, like I was doing a little bit there. Just add some little bits and pieces to kind of spice it up a little bit, if you like. Anyway, I think that's it. Just a nice short one today. Hope you find that useful. That's it.